Purchasers in N3 represent the employees or team members responsible for purchasing goods and services for your company. Assigning purchasers to transactions helps you track purchasing activities, monitor spending by purchaser, and generate reports for better procurement analysis. To add a purchaser, go to Accounts Payable, select Purchasers, and click Add. Enter the purchaser number and name, both of which are required. Then complete any optional fields as needed. Click Save when you're done. To edit an existing purchaser, click the corresponding code to open the record. Select Edit, make your changes, and click Save. To delete a purchaser, tick the checkbox beside the record, click Delete, and confirm the action. Please note that a purchaser cannot be deleted once it has been used in a transaction. Instead, you can disable the active toggle to make the purchaser inactive and prevent it from being selected in future transactions.